Kung naghahanap ka ng brand new luxury home dito sa BF Resort Las Piñas, this might be the one. So guys, you have your modern design house and lot, and you have your automated gate. Tara, pasok tayo. So guys, dito naman you have fully covered 2-car garage, and then naka-automated gate na kayo. Sa side, you have your access to your lanay. Then you have elevated pupunta sa yung main door. So sa pinto natin, you have your automated lock system. You have your automated door lock system. So pagpasok mo pa lang, very homey yung vibes niya. And you have your open layout concept dito sa living area. And then included na rin yung Samsung split type AC. So dito naman, you have your interior stairs na may wooden design panel. And then nandito yung powder room. So itong space na to, yung dining area nyo, nakasya yung 6 to 8 dining seater. So drop light, Samsung inverter AC na split type is already installed. So meron na kayo sa living room and sa dining. And then dito, your access sa lanay nyo. So dito naman, you have your guest room with own toilet and bath. Okay. Also included na yung modular cabinets. So this one is your kitchen. Naka L-shaped kitchen, including cooktop, range wood, and then naka center aisle. So granite countertop, modular cabinet, and ito. Useful din to kasi lagayan ng mga ibang groceries. Yan. So this one naman is your service area. So pressure tank water is already included. So yan, service area nyo, dirty kitchen, and then this one is your maid's room with own toilet and bath. Tapos, sa taas naman tayo. So guys, dito naman sa second floor ng property, glass na yung ginamit dito. High quality yung wood na ginamit. And then may mga accent dito sa gilid. May drop light na maganda dito. And then before ko ipakita yung master's bedroom, check na natin yung mga common bedroom muna. So unahin natin to. So ito yung bedroom number 1. As you can see, sobrang spacious niya. And then ito, may malaking window dito. And you have your own toilet and bath. Also modular cabinets. So dito naman, ito yung bedroom number 2. Dito yung toilet and bath. Modular cabinets. And then window dito for proper ventilation. Aircon, window type. By the way guys, meron nga palang attic tong property na to. Mamaya, ito-check natin yan after sa mga rooms. So ito yung hallway ng second floor. Tapos, ito yung pangatlong kwarto dito sa second floor. As you can see, halos same sila ng size nung pangalawa at pangatlo. May modular cabinets. May aircon din, window dito, and then toilet and bath. So, ito yung master's bedroom. So, dito naman, you have your own huge balcony. So, dito naman, you have your own toilet and bath sa master's. And then, may bathtub dito, shower enclosure. And then, walk-in closet. Ganda ng walk-in closet na to. So, ayan. So, ito naman. This one is your balcony area sa master's bedroom. Ayan, may mga railings na siya. May mga CCTV na rin for extra security. So guys, tapos na tayo sa mga rooms. I-check naman natin yung attic ng property. So guys, ito yung attic. So try natin yung maket guys ha. Try natin yung maket. Ayan. So guys, nakaakyat tayo dito sa attic. No? Sobrang lawak niya. Marami kayong pwedeng gawin dito actually. Kung kailangan nyo ng maraming storage, pwede dito. Extra stuff na pwede ilagay. Office, pwede siya dito. Ganito siya kalawak. Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong bahay na to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Property Trends, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago naming release na property. So, ilalagay ko yung number ko sa screen para matawagan nyo ako. So guys, again, this is Joshua, your Property Trends. See you in my next video.